Hey, my dear students, our topic for today is all about solving rational equation. Before we proceed, let us review on the topics that has been discussed last meeting. Determine whether the given is a rational function, a rational equation, or a rational inequality. Number 1. F of x equals 5x cubed minus 2x plus 1. What do you call this one? Rational function. Very good. Second, 6x minus 5 all over x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Is this a rational function, rational equation, or a rational inequality? Very good. Rational inequality because of this symbol. Third, 8 over x minus 8 equals x all over 2x minus 1. What do you call this one? Rational equation. Correct. After our session for today, I'm expecting that you may be able to enumerate the procedures in solving rational equations. Second, solve rational equations. In solving rational equations, there are no specific rules to be followed, as long as you will not violate the rules in mathematics. But in order for you to be guided, I have here two procedures, and you need to follow this one. First, eliminate denominators by multiplying its term of the equation by the least common denominator. Second, note that eliminating denominators may introduce extraneous solutions. Check the solutions of the transform equations with the original equation. Example number 1. Solve for x and check your solution. X over 3 plus 1/6 equals 5/2. In order for you to solve the value of x, first you are going to determine the LCD of 3, 6, and 2. The LCD here is 6. So the 6 should be multiplied to its term. It becomes 6x over 3 plus 6 over 6 equals 30 over 2. And then simplify. It becomes 6x over 3, it becomes 2x. 6 over 6 becomes 1. And 30 over 2 becomes 15. So 2x plus 1 equals 15. By applying the subtraction property of equality, it becomes 2x equals 15 minus 1, and 2x equals 14 divided by both sides by 2. It becomes 2x over 2 equals 14 over 2, and simplify. The answer is x equals 7. We are going to check if x is equal to 7 is correct. So substitute the value of x of 7. It becomes, so the LCD here is 6. So 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 6 divided by 6 equals to 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. So it becomes 15 over 6. 15 over 6 can be simplified. It becomes 5 half equals 5 half. So x is the solution of the given equation. Example number 2. Solve for x. 2 over x minus 3 over 2x equals 1/5. Our LCD here is 2x times 5. So multiply it to the given equation. It becomes 2 over x times 2x times 5 minus 3 over 2x times 2x times 5 equals 1/5 times 2x times 5. Divide the common term. So the common term, we have x, it should be divided, it becomes 1. 2x divided by 2x becomes 1. 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. It becomes 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 5 is equal to 20. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 2x times 1 is equal to 2x. So 20 minus 15 is equal to 5 equals 2x. By applying commutative property, is equal to 2x is equal to 5, and then divided by both sides by 2, it becomes 5 half. Our answer here is x is equal to 5 half. You are the one to check your answer it is correct as it were. Let us proceed to example number 3. Solve for x. X over x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 equals 8 all over x squared minus 4. Our LCD here is x plus 2 times x minus 2. And then it should be multiplied it to its term. It becomes x over x plus 2 times the LCD minus 1 over x minus 2 times the LCD is equal to 8 over x plus 2 x minus 2 times the LCD. Divide the common term. It becomes x times x minus 2 minus the quantity of x plus 2 equals 8. Simplify. X times x equals x squared. X times negative 2 is equal to negative 2x minus x minus 2 equals 8. X squared minus 3x minus 2 minus 8 equals 0. Simplify. It becomes x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. It becomes you are going to factor. The factor of x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0 is the quantity of x minus 5 times x plus 2 equals to 0. It becomes x minus 5 is equal to 0, and simplify, x is equal to 5. The second equation, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Simplify, x is equal to negative 2. There are two values of x. 5 and negative 2. We are going to check if our answers are correct. When x is equal to 5, substitute the value of x. It becomes this one, 8 over 21 equals 8 over 21. Second, so x is equal to 5 is a solution. When x is equal to negative 2, substitute negative 2 all over negative 2 plus 2 minus 1 all over negative 2 minus 2 equals 8 all over 4 minus 4. Take note, negative 2 plus 2 equals to 0. A number cannot be divided by 0, so that is undefined or indeterminate. So meaning x equals negative 2 is not a solution. Only x equals 5 is a solution. In your quiz, you are going to show your solution in a one-whole yellow paper. Solve the following rational equation and check your solution. It's for number 1, number 2, and number 3. Thank you, and God bless us all.